Hello everyone, my name is Jenny, and today we will learn what of in Arthur Discover second editions with me. And today we will learn what of Unit 8 and Unit 7, and Unit 8. So today, what of we will have a story and we have a project to make a subtractions board game. Okay, now open the book page 84 and 85. We will read their stories and we will do this project. Make a subtractions board game. Now let's get started. Listen and read along. The students' subtraction test scores were very good. Good job, everyone. Let's have a picnic. Yay! The class played again. 2 students let go. How many students were left? Don't let go. The class sang and danced. 3 students hid in the bushes. How many were left? Here comes Mr. Smart. They had 13 sandwiches. The first stole 8. How many were left? Let's go. Oh no. There were 24 cookies. Gus ate 10. How many cookies were left? Where are all the cookies? Gus ate them, shrieked Gus. I'm full. Mrs. Smart took pictures of the class. They were tired, hungry, and thirsty, but they were happy. So this story is talking about a picnic of the class. After the subtraction test score, they have a very good score. So the teacher, Mrs. Smart, will take them to have a picnic. So this picnic is a very special picnic for them. Okay, now let's look at the page 85. We will have a project here. We will make a subtraction board game. So you can see the examples in this book. Is page 85. This one. You can see the board game here. This is an example. And I have an example too. Look at this. This is my board game. I made this in this afternoon. So now let's see. This is the start. Start is green. And then we will answer there's questions of subtractions and math. Talk about math. So we will have many questions here. And we will have 2's overs. Go back 3 squares and move up 3 squares. So we will talk about today. So now we will make the board game. This is the example in page 85. And this is my example. You can see it's not just like in this book, but it's just the same. If we write this one, you write the board game, then you write some questions in here. And then you use something to have 1 to 6 and play it. After that, if you finish the game, you can decorate some things around us to make it beautiful. Okay, so now I will teach you how to make this. So first, we will prepare something. We will prepare paper, color, and pen. Why we need it? Paper is heavy to make this paper. Paper heavy to write and paint on it. Colors. We need colors to decorate it, the board game, and make it beautiful. Just like the others project too. All the projects in this book I think usually use paper and color because they are very useful things to do the project. And next, pen. Pen is heavy to write something, but don't use the marker. It's very big. It's a very big letters, just like. If you want a little letters, you will write by pen. By pen, you can write by color pen, just like me. I write black, purple, red, and blue pens. Okay, now let's see. Let's play again a little more and I will teach you some things how to make it. First, start. How many letters in this word? Beautiful. Now we have the word beautiful in here. Oops. I will delete. Beautiful. How many letters in this word? Now, let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 letters in this word. S is on the flag here. Okay? So, we finished these questions. So the next question we have is, Dad had 4 shoes. So I will write there's things of math. Shoes, patterns, do not count the motions of this. Dad, 4 shoes. Mom, 5 shoes. Me, 3 shoes. And my sister, 3 too. Sister, 3 too. So they say, how many shoes that my family had? We will plus them. Make a plus, not a subtractions. 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. Or we have another 4 plus 5. 3 times 3. Okay, this is the questions. These are some examples here. How many houses are on the road? Yes, how many cars? Sorry, how many cars on the road? There is a car. There is a car, and 3 cars move on too. So they say how many cars on the road? We don't know, but it says more. There is a car, 1 car, and 3 more move on to it. So we will talk about first. 1 plus 3 is 4 equal 4. And this is a very special, but we don't learn these lessons in this unit. But I will teach more for you about times and divided. It's a very particles and symbols and normal things in math. 8 times 20. Time is this one. 20 equal 8 times 2 is 16. So 8 plus 8 times 20 is 116. So the next we have go back 3 quarters. Go back 3 quarters. 1, 2, 3. So we look in this spot. The bakery had 50 pies. They sell 7 pies. How many pies were left? Okay, so we have questions more. We have another question. I will ask you some of these questions in this board game that I made, because if you want to make this project for this work-up, you will know there are questions about about math or the subtraction. And there are about many things in measures like the signs in math, equals or minus signs, plus or divided or times. The bakery have 15 pies. There sells 7 pies sales. So how many left? 15 minus 7 is, yes, 8 pies. They always have 8 pies were left. Next, we have the very special too. We talk about divided. This is a sign. Okay, so 30 divided 6. 30 divided 6. We talk about this as divided. Divided. So 30 divided 6 equals 5. And the next. So this is a very special too. we will learn three numbers in this. Three numbers plus with three numbers makes three numbers too. Yes, but we have a very new questions about this one. Just like the very big three questions, just like 50 is more, 50 is more, 500 or more. This three talk about is bigger than 500. So we talk about if they learn together, they make 4 or 3 minutes in their answers. So we have a question here. 300, 440, 400. Okay, so 3 plus 4 is 7 and 0 is 0. So we have 700. There were cars on the road. 4 runs away. How many cars were left? There are 12 cars on the way. We have 12 cars. This is the answer. Sorry, the question. So this question is very special. So I will delete the word story here. Okay. I will use the market, the black market, because it will help you to see more. There were 12 cars here. And 4 runs away. 4 runs away, so we will have only we were left. The cars were left with 4 runs away. So we use the word. We use the size minus size. This is 8, right? 8 cars that were left on the race. And this is the last questions. Okay, this just one in this. And I think this video is very interesting because today is not just like the overwrapped up. The overwrapped up, I will read a story and then I will help you to make how to make this project. But today I don't help you to make this project. Before I have you to make this project, I have you to know some answers, some questions about, because this project is usually talk about a subtraction, about math. We have 20 cookies in here. 20 cookies is very delicious. I think chocolate because I like chocolate cookies very much. I shared 5 cookies for my friend. Share 5. How many cookies I have after that? Or how many cookies I have after I share 5 cookies for my friend? So 20 will sign 5. Just like, yes, because today we usually learn subtractions. Remember, we usually learn subtraction. I start again. Remember, we usually learn subtractions. So, or the questions I write usually start about subtraction. But some persons I don't like about it. I write the letters divided for 10. But I think the long persons is talking about subtraction. So 20 minus 5 is 15. So we have 15 cookies left. And move up 3 squares, move up 3 squares. Then we will finish, but we will have 1 square. So we will go. We don't go. We can't go because we have 1 and then 2. It's not 3, so we don't go. 100 minus 21, 23. Sorry. If you know the answer to the questions, this questions is very normal in Vietnam because all the students in Vietnam, the teacher usually teach them how to teach, how to learn or how to study this question. This one. In Vietnam, we usually learn like this. 100 minus size 26. And then this side is equal side 6 is 4. Then this one 0 minus side 2, then 1 is 3. So this is 7. And this one is, and so we have 74. Okay, so finish the game. If you go to this, you will finish. Okay, so I will help you to how to make the project. Okay, look at this one. The paper, I write a paper on my whiteboard, and then you will write something like this. This is finish, and this is start. Oops. Okay. You can see here, and then you write the fin, but send the color just like me. This one, and then you write the questions in this one. The thing that I color black. Just like. Then you write some questions here, and after that you can decorate just like write the word board game in here, and then decorate some balloon and color it. Okay, so it's a very easy, right? Okay, so now exercise 6. Switch games is another group. Play the board game. We'll write down your answer. So we will play this game on my whiteboard so we don't do this exercise. Give your board game back to the group to take the answers. Yes, we usually do this at school sometimes. In Vietnam, we sometimes have board game too in the books. Okay, so this exercise we don't go to school, so we don't know how to do. Big questions 4. When do we use subtractions? So see you this big questions, and tomorrow we will learn the another big questions. Okay, so I will assign this to the next big questions. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.